Hi, hello, welcome to Shri Electronics and Embedded Solutions Coimbatore. So this is the new kit, that is retrofit type of kit, 48 volt, 60 volt, 72 volt, 1500 watts, hybrid conversion kit for Activa, Axis, all the kind of scooty models. So this kit will be very much useful to convert your normal petrol vehicle to electrical vehicle, petrol plus electric, that is hybrid conversion kit. You can do it without the help of mechanic. You can convert your vehicle to petrol plus electric. So that is what the added advantage of this kit. So this is the complete kit coming with 1500 watts capacity. So it is a retro fit kind of model. So first time we are launching in our Shri Electronics and Embedded Solutions, coming with 1 year warranty. All over India we providing you the delivery support. So maximum 5 to 7 working days we will deliver you this product. So believe us, you can place the order in our online store, www.sesonlinestore.com. okay, so our video consists of totally 3 segments. You already know if you are previously watching our video. So first thing will be the full kit details. So in the full kit details we are explaining you each and every what are all the accessories that will be coming along with this kit. So we are explaining you each and every thing. So second thing will be the connection details. So we are explaining each and every wire that is going to connect to controller through motor and throttle, how the connections are to be made. So and the final will be the testing and demo. So we are giving the voltages and we are just seeing how the motor is getting rotated. That will be explained in the testing and demo section. So this kit will be the completely without the help of mechanic. You can do it by yourself. So the kit will be a very huge demand of this kit. So we started selling the lithium batteries. So make use of the batteries also. We providing both the kits, battery plus this hybrid conversion kit. You can directly book the order in our online store, www.sesonlinestore.com, or otherwise if you want the manual method, I don't know how to order in the online, in the top there will be the WhatsApp number will be given. You can directly message us. Our sales team will contact you and guide how to buy this product from offline. Also we can support it. So let's move on to the video and see the technical details of this kit. Okay, so this kit will be used for all the 10-inch wheel size motor can be easily afford. You can fit with the back wheel. So this is come with the regenerative system. So the regenerative technology, pure sine wave. So it can be used the more efficient, and the speed of this hybrid conversion kit, maximum you can get 60 to 65 kilometers at the top speed. Okay, so you can connect either 48 volt, 60 volt or 72 volt battery for this kit. So for both all the voltages, this model can be support accordingly. Okay, so these are all the complete unboxing of our total kit. So now I am going to explain you each and every what are all the accessories that is coming along with this kit. Now let's move on to the video and see what are all the accessories coming. Don't skip the video. So kindly subscribe to our channel, watch this video fully, so then only you can easily understood how each and every wire is connected accordingly. With the help of this connecting video, you can do it the fittings with your own. Okay, without the help of this mechanic. So this kit most probably all the customers are asking, so if you going to buy this kit, who will come and fit all those kind of accessories, all the questionnaire having the one solution. So this is the final solution of this kit. You can do it by yourself. Though this is the model of retrofit kind of kit coming with Ather brand. So this is the complete kit. Now we are going to see the full kit details. Now let's move on to the video. So now let's move on to the full kit details. So first we will coming with the hub motor. So this is the hub motor. So it is coming with the Ather brand. So this is the pure copper winding hub motor coming with 1.5 kilowatt motor capacity. So this is the pure copper winding hub motor. You can fit with the back wheel of the Activa. So this segment will be goes to the back wheel in the side of the ignition, that is ignition system. You can connect this. There will be two segment here. You can just remove this nut and you can separate this channel, and you can fit in the vehicle, and with the help of screw you can connect this motor, and you can do the connections it is accordingly. So this is the easiest way of fitting this back side of the motor. This is not having two sided, so this is the one sided, so you can easily fit with the back wheel. So with the 10-inch wheel size. So coming to the motor specifications, it is coming with the power of 1500 watts, that is 1.5 kilowatt capacity, pure copper winding hub motor. So this is the DC brushless motor. So it is coming with a DC brushless motor. So and the wheel size will be 10-inch, and the maximum speed will be 40 to 60 km per hour. Okay, 40 to 60 km per hour, coming with the Ather brand. Okay, so this having the torque of 30 Newton meter. So and the working temperature will be 80 degrees centigrade, and this is the waterproof grade of IP54. So this is the water resistance motor. So you can use it with the all the climatical conditions. You can use it. So and the total weight of this motor will be 7 to 8 kgs, and the efficiency of the motor will be 85%, and the finally it will be coming this motor coming with 1 year warranty. Okay, so that is what all about the motor. And the next thing will be the controller. Coming to the controller, so this is the regenerative controller. So it is coming with it is having the compatible voltage levels of 48 volt, 60 volt as well as 72 volt it can work, and the rated current will be 35 amps current rating. So and the peak current will be 65 ampere. So the maximum power rating will be 2.1 kilowatt for this controller. So and the waterproof grade will be also similar to same like motor IP64. This is a waterproof controller. So and it will be a regenerative controller. Yes, it will have the function of regenerative systems, and the type of the output will be it will create a sine wave output. So it will be a completely sine wave regenerative controller. So and it will coming with similar to 1 year manufacturing warranty. Okay, so that's all. These the two main units that coming with the specification of motor and controller. And the next thing, third thing will be the, so this is the hub between the throttle for petrol plus electric. Okay, you can use your normal in the two-wheeler having the throttle section. You can use this box. If you connecting this box, you can use it for both the mode, both petrol plus electric. You can use it with this help of this controller box. Okay, the only thing is you need to connect this wire. Okay, and this two ends will be there. You can connect one side to the throttle and other side to the two-wheeler other end. Okay, you can connect as it is. And the fourth thing will be the MCB. If any short circuit occurs, so this will control, this will trigger out, which will coming with 40 amps current rating. So and next thing will be the voltage meter, voltage plus indicator. It will be coming, battery level and the voltage level indications will be there. So this is the power key switch. So if we want to connect this, so I am just turning on. So you can see the battery voltage levels, so 48.2. So if we press this switch, so it will go to the electrical mode. So once we turn on, the motor is getting rotated. So for this on off for converting electrical, you need to press this switch. Once you press normal, it will goes to the petrol. Once you click this, the changeover relay will trigger out to change to petrol to electrical vehicle. For this purpose we are using this switch. So for this switch also we are providing along with this kit. No need of any accessories that you are going to buy. All the accessories we will providing you along with this kit. So this is the DC to DC converter coming with a 10 amps power rating. So and this is the changeover relay circuit with 40 amps current rating. Okay, so this is the 14 volt DC with 1 amps. Okay, so this is the changeover relay, and these are all the connecting nuts, bolts, screws, clamp for controller and everything, and this is the final closing circuit for the controller. Okay, so this complete connecting accessories that we are going to provide along with this kit. So these are all the total accessories. Once again I am telling you, motor, retrofit hub motor coming with 1500 watts. Second thing will be the controller. This is a regenerative sine wave controller, 1.5 kilowatt controller. So on the petrol plus electric throttle conversion kit, and DC MCB, battery indicator, and the voltage display, and the power on off switch to changeover, and the relay circuit for changeover, and the DC to DC controller converter for controlling to control the light signals and everything. So and the connecting cables also we are giving, and also for the bolts, nuts, clamps, everything we will providing along with this kit. So this is the overall kit. Now let's move on to the second section of full connection details. Okay, now let's move on to the second section, that is connection segment. So coming with the motor, so we having one side of the motor, we having the huge wires coming. So that is what the wire. So in this wire there will be two segments. So one is the control connections, so another one is the motor wiring. So this is the controller, you need to connect this. So first thing will be the blue, green, yellow. This three wire will be the motor wiring, blue, green, yellow, and this will be the and this thing will be the control connections. So in the bottom side you have the 5-pin connector, so you can connect accordingly, red to red, black to black, yellow to yellow, blue to blue, and green to green. You can connect accordingly. So this is for the control connections, and remaining set for the throttle and central locking key and power key switches, everything will be connected in this center of this thing. So and this bottom, two end of the bottom, you can connect positive of the battery and negative of the battery. So positive of the battery is directly switching with the help of DC MCB. So this is the positive from the battery, and this is blue wire will be the negative from the battery. So you can connect first positive to this MCB and directly is connected to the controller. So once is getting any short circuit will be occurs, so this DC MCB will trigger off this circuitry and it will get closed. So direct you can connect this negative supply to this controller. Okay, so for the meter you need to connect positive and negative only. So you can connect battery plus and battery minus, you can directly connect. You can get the total readings of the voltage level and the battery level, you can directly find it out. Okay, so and also you having two set of wiring from the positive and the negative. There will be one core cable is coming, so that is for especially for the power connections, power switches. You need to connect this. So for this, positive to the battery positive, negative to the battery negative, and you can connect this orange with yellow with green wire to the violet color of the purple from the controller. You need to connect this for the power key element. Okay, for the power connection, for the switch connection, you need to connect this socket for the violet color socket. And the next thing in the opposite end I am explaining in the next. So remaining will be the throttle connection. In the throttle we have this connector, so having black, green, this light pink color. Okay, you need to connect this throttle through black, green and red. You need to connect black to black, green to green and red to this pink, light pink. Okay, that's all about the throttle connections. Coming to the other segment, we have the power key switch of other connection. So this is coming with the power key on the other side, this red, black and this green with yellow. You need to connect directly through red to red, this green to blue and black to this yellow. Okay, and you need to give supply to this DC to DC converter. So for this purpose we are taking positive and the negative to this this black to black and red to this blue. Okay, you need to directly connect, and this output will be directly triggered through this power key switch. You have 3 set of connections for this power key. So first one will be the orange to orange. You need to directly connect, that will be single connector. You need to connect orange to orange, black to black, and this will be changeover for yellow to yellow. And remaining we have red and black here, red and black. So this is for the battery, positive and negative. This is for positive and this for negative. We need to trigger on from the battery. There will be input of 12 volt. We need to give it to the switch. For the changeover circuit we need to give this separately. Okay, so this all are connecting. We don't need to cut and we can join the connections. It is not like that. So you need to directly without connecting anything, you need to directly just connect this, then only the connection is getting turned on. No need of any connections is getting cut and you can directly connect. So it will be all are connected. So if you having any doubts, you can call to our technical team for more details. Instead of the wiring, they will be explaining each and everything. So that's all about the connection, each and every connections. So these are all the main connections that we are going to explain. So now we are going to third segment. So that is will be a testing and demo. So we are just giving the voltage of 48 volt, and we are just in the test, in the demo segment we can't give you the each and every RPM because the handling person will trigger out this lever, and they are showing the simple how their motor is getting turned on. So if you want to really get the maximum speed according to the manufacturer, you can get maximum 40 to 60 kilometers output. Okay, kilometer per hour you can get it. So now let's move on to the testing and demo. Okay, so we need to turn on this MCB. So and here the voltage level will be, so 48.2 volt will be the input voltage that we are going to give. So and this will be the for this switch will be for to change the petrol to electric. For this we are just turning on this power switch. So the relay is turned on. So and this is the acceleration cable. So for this acceleration I am just pulling out this thing, and you can see the motor rotation in the other side. So you can see. So I am just turn on. So now we are going to test this. So for this I am just accelerating the power key switches, the accelerating cable. So I am just tilting this. So I am just accelerating this motor. So this is the full speed. So maximum speed, this is the speed that can be achieved. So this is the medium speed of this motor. So I'm just little bit I am just accelerating. For that purpose only the person is lifting the load. So for this maximum purpose they are handling the full load. So that's all about the testing and demo. For this purpose we have connected 48 volt. You can connect the battery levels of 48 volt, 60 volt, and as well as 72 volt power supplies, battery power supplies. So that's all about the retrofit kind of Activa model. So if you want, you can directly book our orders. This having the limited stock, so you can directly book the order in our online website www.scsonlinestore.com. So many of the people are watching, kindly subscribe to our channel. So for this these kinds of kits, we are having all the types of kits that we are going to present, each and every connection that we are going to explain in our YouTube channel. So kindly subscribe and share to the many friends and ask them to subscribe also. So then only we have the motivation of all the market launch kit that we are going to represent here, and we are going to explain over in our YouTube channel. So this is the first time in India we are doing the presentation of these kinds of connections and fully explain over these all kind of models. We have more than around 170 plus video, both Tamil and English versions. So you can make use of the video and you can kindly order in our online store. So this kit coming with 1 year manufacturing warranty. So you can directly book from our order. So thank you. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.